Windy out here today, eh boys? Well, real windy. Real windy. So today I'm going to be changing over the cuttlefish that I've got in here. Now, there's a lot of different names for this stuff. Cuttlebone, cuttlefish, cuttle. I just normally call it cuttle. That's with 2 T's, not 2 D's. Cuttle, not cuttle. Anywho, so I screw them on, as you can see, onto this middle post here by the feeding platform. I screw them on because any other method just doesn't seem to work, to be honest. You never clip them anywhere and tie them anywhere, they seem to end up on the ground. So this way has worked, so this is the way I'm sticking with. I've got one on each side of the post, and that one and this one have been well eaten. This one here obviously wasn't as tasty or something. They've chewed at the sides and then given up. Same with this one on the back, not eaten as much, but I'll replace all 4 of them. Sorry, I had to go inside, charge the camera up. How you doing, Swinny? Man, it's windy. And it looks like the birds have all been into the cuttle already. Every single hole has been chewed around. As well as a few other chunks being taken out. So it's good. They want it, and somebody's pooped on one of them. Who did that? You, Leela? Which one of you pooped on it? Right, anyway, let's change them over. So, I'm just doing this manually, not with a impact drive or anything, just to make it quieter for the birds. Now, why cuttle, you say? Why do we give cuttle to our birds? Man, it's windy. So this is the bone from a cuttlefish, and it's primarily made up of calcium carbonate, and everything needs calcium. I need it, you need it, and birds need it. It helps with their bones and also other things, feather production and what have you. There's also other minerals and things inside a cuttle. Why did I put such long screws in these things? Far out. That's a bit silly. It's a bit overkill. So yeah, there's other minerals and the like inside, such as zinc and iron, which is also good for the birds. There's a little bit of copper as well, I think. And it's easily digestible. It's very soft. Real soft, powdery stuff. And if you're putting them in your cage, make sure they can get to the soft side, because the other side is very hard. It's like a, it's kind of like a fingernail. So put the soft side where the birds can get to it. Now, as well as the nutritional value that the birds will get from eating the cuttle, chewing on it also helps keep their beaks in order, and some of them even play with it with their claws. So it helps keep the sharpness, takes the sharpness off the beaks, and just keeps the beaks in good condition. They can get stronger by playing with it, chewing on it, and all the birds in here seem to love it, particularly the Java. Where are they? There they are. The little Java finches. They really love having a good chew on it. But also the turquoisines use it quite a lot, especially when they're laying eggs. They need the calcium, so it helps with that. How you doing, guys? Don't see you guys much on the videos, do we? But yeah, everything in here has a go at it. Even the quail. I'll put some of these older ones on the ground so the quail can get to them. The quail will chew on them. Cold today, now, guys. Windy and miserable. Quail all snuggled up in little pockets. I'm going to make them a little snuggle area. They like usually getting into corners and snuggling up, so I thought I'd make a little multiple cornered area. Show you that when I do it. So yeah, the doves have a go at it occasionally. They have a little bit of a peck at it. And of course the teals. Don't see the teals eat it much, but I think they chew on it every now and again. And I'm not too sure about Swinny. But basically, all the birds, have a good play with it, have a good nibble on it. The other thing, what was the other thing? Whenever your birds don't like chewing on the cuttle or are unable to chew on it, you can just scratch it up. Just flake it off, back of a knife or anything really. It's very soft, so it'll all just come off. You can just grind it off into a dust, sprinkle it over their seeds or into their fresh food, and they'll get a bit of the calcium that way. So, cuttlefish, very important, or cuttlebone or cuttle, whichever you want to call it. I managed to break that one, unfortunately. Such is life. I don't think the birds will mind. Hey guys, what am I doing? Changing all your cuttle. So we'll put some of these that have still got plenty on them and put them down for the quail in a dry spot. Put this down here, guys. I know they go. Now I can hopefully find that. And I might put one in next door. You guys want some cuttle? How's your other one in there? Oh, it's flipped over the wrong way. Squeeze in here. How you guys doing? You want some cuttle? You're okay. I'll just put it up on the shelf here, okay? Quail can't get up there, I know that, but there is one down here, which is the soft side, that side. You haven't even touched that one, guys. So if you're new to my channel, I currently have button quail, turquoisines, Java finches, cockatiels, doves, and a pheasant. Eastman's. I haven't got any blueberries. Mummy will bring you some blueberries later. Okay? She's super... So they're all cuddled up for probably about another month or so. Not sure how often I do it. But there they are. Ready for little birdie beaks. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't checked out my channel before, I've got heaps of videos on birds, a lot of cockatiel videos. Subscribe below, push the little bell notification and you'll get the notifications. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.